Brad Hall here with a big show today. Right next to me, Kanye's basketball shoe, the Yeezy QNTM Quantum. I'll tell you all about it, talk a little comfort, and then, does this shoe look good with any pair of pants? I answer that question all ahead. The Yeezy basketball shoe, it's something I've been looking forward to for a really long time. In person, it is a complete work of art. The upper is so interesting, a really nice mix of textures. On the center panel, you've got prime knit with a nice swirl. In between the prime knit, you've got these see-through portions. That lets you see that 3M hiding under there. Gives it a very cool look. On the heel, a totally different texture. It's neoprene. It's got more of that performance, scuba-like look. And then up at the front of the shoe, on that toe box, just a classy way to finish it off. A nice piece of suede. The other piece that's really gonna catch your eye in this upper is this big, sizable heel area. It's got a lot of presence back there. Just a striking look on this shoe. The midsole and the sole, milky, and kind of translucent on this too. You can see the full length boost. It is one good looking shoe. It looks good in my hand, just staring at it, but it also looks good on foot. That toe piece looks really nice from above. Love looking down on that. And I do love the bulk of this shoe, and not in that chunky runner shoe way. It's a different kind of bulkiness, a bulkiness that I am excited to embrace. I haven't logged a ton of miles on this shoe yet, but I did put it on and walk over to the camera to film that last segment. During that walk, they felt really good, so far, a very nicely comfortable shoe. Now I wanted to give you a nice on-foot look of this shoe, so I tried picking out the perfect pair of pants to just nicely complement it. When I was going through my pants, I noticed pretty much all of them, they were looking really good with this shoe. I think that's a testament to the shoe and how good looking it is. So I wanted to show you that it really does look good with any pair of pants. I put together a little video piece where I wore some of my favorite pants with it, and I want to show you that right now. So the Yeezy QNTM Quantum, it looks good with any pair of pants, as you just saw. Really excited to have this here today, and thanks for watching.